There is a reason so many health-conscious people swear by a simple morning carrot juice ritual. The energy feels different, it feels clean, it feels steady, and somehow it feels like your body knows exactly what to do with it. Most people think carrot juice is just a refreshing drink, but it sets off a chain of changes inside your body that can shape how you see, how you feel, and even how you age. Before we reveal the first reason people drink carrot juice every day, do tap the subscribe button to be alerted when we have new videos. It helps more people discover natural ways to take care of their bodies, and it also tells us that these simple habits matter to you. Now let us open the first point, because this is where everything begins. Number 1. Faster nutrient absorption. When you drink carrot juice, you take in nutrients your body can use right away. Whole carrots are great, but the body has to break down all that crunch before getting to the good parts. Juicing skips that long process. It turns those nutrients into a form your body can pull in almost instantly. Some people call it the difference between slow internet and fast internet. One makes you wait. The other works the moment you tap the screen. This quick absorption sets the stage for the next effect. And this next effect is the one most people talk about first, especially if they work long hours in front of screens. Number 2. Eye comfort and support. Your eyes go through a lot every single day. Sunlight, phone screens, bright lights, tiny text. All of these things slowly tire out the cells inside your eyes. Carrot juice brings in natural pigments that help your eyes recover and stay moist. Some people say small text looks clearer after drinking carrot juice regularly. Results are different for everyone, but it makes sense. Your eyes finally get something they can use to restore themselves. And this simple change often leads to another one. Not inside your eyes this time, but right on your skin. Number 3. Natural skin. Glow. Ask anyone who drinks carrot juice often and they will tell you their skin changes before anything else. A little brighter. Almost like someone increased the saturation just a tiny bit. That happens because the same pigments that help your cells stay strong also settle below the surface of your skin, in a warm, healthy glow kind of way. Carrot juice also brings in vitamin C, which your skin uses to maintain firmness and softness. So you are basically feeding your skin from the inside. Lotions work on the surface. Carrot juice works deeper. But what comes next is not about the outside at all. It is about the organ that quietly handles more jobs than most of us realize. Number 4. Gentle liver support. Your liver filters, sorts, and manages almost everything that passes through your body. And it enjoys the gentle support that carrot juice provides. The natural pigments in carrots help the liver deal with stress from daily living. They support the way the liver processes nutrients. They help it stay steady. People who drink carrot juice consistently often say they feel lighter or clearer. And this makes sense because when the liver feels supported, the whole body feels supported too. But while the liver is doing its job, the heart begins to notice something as well. Number 5. Heart and circulation support. The heart does not need dramatic changes. It needs steady help every day. Carrot juice delivers that in a few simple ways. First, certain fibers in carrots help the body deal with extra cholesterol. Second, carrot juice is full of potassium, which helps the blood vessels relax. And when the vessels relax, blood flows more smoothly. Together, these gentle effects give the heart a small boost that adds up over time. Number 6. Steadier blood sugar. Even though carrots taste sweet, carrot juice is surprisingly friendly to blood sugar. It digests slowly and releases its natural sugars steadily. There is no sharp spike, no crash. Some fibers in carrots also feed good gut bacteria that help the body handle sugar better. As these bacteria grow stronger, they help keep your system balanced. Carrot juice becomes a quiet assistant behind the scenes, helping things settle rather than swing up and down. Number 7. Happy gut and smooth digestion. Carrot juice is gentle but effective. The soluble fibers turn into a soft, gel-like material inside your digestive system. This helps things move smoothly without strain. Your friendly gut bacteria love these fibers too. They turn carrot fiber into small compounds that help your gut lining stay strong. This is one reason people often say they feel lighter after drinking carrot juice. It is not dramatic, it is simple daily support. And this support leads us to a part of the body people often forget: your bones. Number 8. Stronger bones. Over time, your bones are always breaking down and rebuilding. They do this silently. They do it every day. Carrot juice brings in vitamin K and potassium, two nutrients that help this rebuilding process. Beta-carotene also plays a role in general tissue repair, so with steady intake, your bones receive what they need to stay firm as the years go by. Now, none of these benefits show up overnight, so if you want to make the most out of carrot juice, add oranges for extra brightness, add a little ginger for warmth, and add a tiny bit of healthy fat, like half a teaspoon of olive oil, so your body can absorb the pigments better. Drink it in the morning when your body is fresh, and you will feel that steady energy many people talk about. I hope this sharing has been helpful. Share your experience with carrot juice in the comments below.